Welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I will show you what do when you have a problem with game not visibly in your Google Play Store on your Xiaomi Poco M4. Firstly, I show you what I have on my menu. I tried to install something like Call of Duty and I search it, but I can't install it. I can't do it anything. To fix it, I must go back to the main menu, where I press our photo on the right corner, and after that navigate to the settings, where choose family and parental controls. There we have now PEGI 3. We must change it to PEGI 16 or 18 to install Call of Duty. To do that, we click there, we enter connect pin to parental controls, and now we can change it to PEGI 16 or allow all. To do that, I click there, confirm by understood and save. Now we can install our Call of Duty game. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.